In primetime news this evening, U.S. Secretary of State blasts China. Ministry of Health issues travel alert as more people die from the coronavirus. And woman in custody after baby reported stolen 3 months ago is found.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Vashon Brown has our preview.
Thank you so much, Janella. Well, we've been hearing whispers about it for some time. The second government asset to be divested by way of a public offer on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. I'll have all the details later on in the business day.
Okay, thank you, Vashon. From Vashon, we go to Jeremy Brown at the sports desk. Jeremy, what's coming up in sports?
Thanks, Herman. You love the Sunshine Girls, right?
Definitely.
Well, I tell you what, they found the going a bit tough in their Vitality Series in England today. We'll tell you a bit more about that when we come back.
And we gotta keep going. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what are your views on the exclusion of some Caribbean countries in the recent discussions with U.S. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.